Today on Make Shape Create, we're redoing this table saw. Hey guys, I'm Corey, this is Make Shape Create, and we're redoing this table saw today. So we got this on Facebook Marketplace for stupid cheap from Dave. Thank you, Dave, if you're watching. And kind of similar to how we did the bandsaw a while back, we're gonna break it down, fix what we need to fix, get the rust off what we can get the rust off of, and go from there. Hopefully get it working again. So it is working now. That is the difference. But maybe get it working a little better. So here we go. Flatheads. I hate flathead screws. Is there anyone that doesn't hate flathead screws? I'm just curious. See, I thought these were just screwed in. They were bolted. This was soaking it one time for about an hour and a half. As rusty as this was, I totally thought this was gonna take longer. This was that rust, what's it called? Evapor rust. Like, and it's reusable? Dude, get this stuff. This stuff's awesome. So, got this all put back together. There are some rough spots, and I think I'm going to attempt to sand this down. I don't see why I shouldn't be able to sand it, just with regular sandpaper, and then kind of go from there. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Sanding montage. Is that funny? I think that's funny. Oh, we're gonna leave it at maybe. So we got our railer nut and our jam nut. I think I only need 2 jam nuts. I think that's all I need. The jam nut is smaller. That way you can butt 2 of them up against each other. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on. All right, so they're both in there. They're both good. Let's see if this raises and lowers the way it's supposed to. Ooh, don't mind me kicking you. Right? Yep. Oh wow, that's a lot easier. I wish this handle was bigger. I'll give it that. But it does raise. turned out. Hopefully this gave you some ideas on maybe something you'd like to revamp or bring up to date or whatever. This is our second one like this, and really kind of liked it. It was a lot easier than the first one. But yeah, unintentionally, they're both Craftsman. That wasn't intentional, but whatever. Anyway, there'll be a playlist up here of other stuff like this you might like. YouTube or Google's going to suggest something for you down there. Not sure what it's going to be. You can subscribe up here, and we'll see you in the next one. See you guys.